video we will try to solve a lead code question of pandas, the first question of pandas. Okay, in this question create a data frame from list. It's a 2D list, name is student data, and it's a 2 column student ID and age. Okay, so at first we have to import pandas as PD, and it's take a function create data frame, and it's have one argument student data. Student data is a 2D list and data type is integer, and the data frame is pandas data frame. So at first take a data frame df equals to pd dot data frame student data. Okay, the one argument is student data and the next argument is columns, and we have 2 column, one is student ID and the another one is age. Okay, now return data frame. Let's check. Yes, you can see the input is 115, 211, 311 and 420. Okay, so output is this one is the output, and expected output is this. You can see the both are same, so the code is perfectly clear.